Hi and welcome to my next video. And are you really confused about the term digital branding? And lot of startups and solopreneurs, they have that. And are you looking for the right information on this particular term called digital branding? Yes. If yes, then this video is definitely for you. And in this digital space, startups and companies are really confused about this real term called digital branding. And to add more confusion to this entire thing, as soon as you type the digital or branding, Google gives you such million results to get you confused even more. So if you want to get clarity, I have prepared some seven parts or 7 episodes on digital branding. So stay tuned for my videos week after week after week. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the branding and digital branding. What is the difference in that? And then I'm also going to talk about digital marketing versus digital branding. What is it? And why digital branding is must for small businesses. So we are going to look into all these 3 things. So stay tuned for some interesting thing in the end also. Hi, I'm Pramila Jain and I'm a brand designer and graphic geek, and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 women solopreneurs to focus on design using the power of branding. So let's dive into the first thing on branding and what is the difference between branding and digital branding. So your brand is nothing but a set of perceptions that people have about you. For example, let's take you yourself as a human, as an individual. There can be your uncle or your aunt, or there can be somebody, your friend or cousin. So all these different relatives will have different perceptions about you. Nobody will have the same perception about you, or some can have the same perception also. So it all is the kind of things that what people have about you as a person. Likewise, what people have about you as a brand is what the term means, brand. So it's the set of perceptions, and branding is a set of actions that we take to cultivate that. So what are the kind of actions that we take as a human? We want to get up early, we want to stay fit, we want to be disease free, we want to stay updated, we want to be up in our games, we want to do everything to have a real good life. Likewise, whatever actions that we take to build our brand, have a good website, have a good social media presence, get our branding done right, have the purpose in mind, look at our mission, vision, values, so many things that we do, come up with an event, do a charity show, whatever we do in context, whatever set of actions that we do in context to cultivate that brand or nurture the brand is branding. And the third thing is digital branding, is how we shape this entire set of actions in the digital space is called digital branding. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's move to the second thing called digital branding versus digital marketing. So digital branding is all about increase the recognition with your target consumers and also strengthening you in the digital space. Whereas digital marketing is about the specific tactics and strategy used to to drive the results for the initiative that we have, or for the brand recognition and brand strengthening requires. So for whatever initiative which is required for keeping in mind about digital branding and the actions that we take to, and the specific tactics and the strategies we used to arrive at those things is called digital branding. For example, now we need to give an example. For example, your website logo, branding elements, color palette, it all shape the way you want your visitors to feel about you or your users to feel about you when they encounter your brand in any medium of communication. The way you generate traffic, the way using SEO, Google AdWords and social media marketing in a nutshell, that is all digital branding. So digital marketing includes strategies like the search engine optimization, growth marketing, search engine marketing, social media marketing and the content marketing. Now, so in short, digital branding shapes the perception and digital marketing gets the word out. So now let's move on to the next thing is why digital branding is important for small business. Point number one, it breaks through the clutter. With lots and lots of brand coming in every day, it is seemingly very difficult to stand out and break through the noise in a crowded marketplace. Here's when digital branding comes handy to grab the attention, give you a clean differentiator from the marketplace, and also explains that why you should be working together, why they should be, then build better recognition. Like the good old saying says, the more the merrier. Same works here too. The number of times people encounter you, the better. So increases visibility, retention, engagement and interactivity. So it can be through forms of digital media like website, social media, online ads, banner ads and email. So the key is to stay consistent and keep your recognition along the way. So connecting with your ideal audience is like digital branding is the only way to sure enough to get the right audience. Not only connect, start building relationship and finally convert them into paying customers. So only with digital branding one can truly break through the online clutter, stand out as a clean differentiator and grab your customers' attention. These are my final thoughts of this video. So catch up on the digital branding bandwagon to be a brand, and if you truly resonate with, whether you develop your brand from scratch or have an existing one, I hope these pointers must have been really handy to you for you and your organization, what to do and what to avoid. It can also be useful for startups or solopreneurs. Finally, branding is all about inculcating the human side within your organization and set of actions so that people really feel emotionally connected with you and bond with you and convert everything that can happen. So if you truly relate to this and want to know more of this and much more, then invite you to my VIP Facebook group or hop into my next free webinar. Thank you so much. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.